Loaded SL Central with all the latest technology, includes SL Premium Plus package, power sliding glass moonroof, with tilt feature, dual illuminated visor vanity mirrors, cargo net and hooks, heated seat S, drivers and front passengers SL technology package, 8-speaker 340-watt Rockford Fosgate audio system, rear view monitor backup camera auto dimming rear view mirror floor mats splash gears. For a great selection of new Nissan Sentrals, be sure and call or email our internet department to get started.